Okay, the first of the four, we've got the 96 Impala with the aftermarket set of wheels. Now this one is basically factory reps with floaters. So what we're gonna do is walk around this one. I'm gonna walk around all the cars, all four of them. We'll pop the trunks, check everything out, listen to them, and compare them. I'm gonna do them one at a time, and I'll have individual test drive videos for every single one of them. So like this one here, we're gonna go on a test drive and do all that as well. So be sure to stick around because there is more coming your way. This is a 96 Impala SS from Maple Motors. Check us out, maplemotors.com. Financing and shipping is available. Detailed pictures. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, before we take off, place those bets. Do you think the horn works? Check this out, 62,000 miles, 62,963. This is a amazing car here with cold AC. 215s in the trunk, tweeters. The system sounds amazing. The billet handles, cup holders. Now you see why this one's priced the way it is. Everything works. Let's just go ahead and take off down the road and see what else we can find. Okay guys, this is gonna be a pretty quick video, honestly. This is the nicest one we have. Really nothing wrong with it. It is one of the owner's cars too. Cut the air on a little bit chilly, or a little bit warm outside. What's crazy is earlier it was cold. Let's hit the road. Here we go, guys. And then we're gonna come back because I have 3 more to do. And all of them are decent. So one of them's got higher miles, it's lower on the price. This one's definitely the nicest one of all. It feels super smooth, just coming right out the lot. So going down the road. Straight, tight. Feels good, getting in the brakes. They feel good. Gas gauge works. Temp gauge works. Squeak coming from something. Was it the seat? I think it was. I think it's a seat there, something squeaking underneath it. Put somebody in it, it won't squeak. We're gonna get the undercarriage shots next. To do some fairly quick outside shots since we do have such a large update this week, and I want to get all the rest of these done before I leave tonight. Try at least. Okay guys, outside shots coming your way. I'll be right back. stick y'all up there on the window. Hopefully you don't fall down, hit the steering wheel, nothing crazy. I think it'll be all right. We'll give her one more push. Roll up the window just in case it wants to fly out. Wouldn't that be something? Anyways, we're gonna head on back to the lot. This one here's great. I mean, I guess I haven't showed reverse, but we'll go. Look at that. Had a big old bump in the parking lot there. Ready to rock and roll, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna get all 4 of these done or not, but I tell you what, kind of exciting to see if I can. This thing drives so good, speedometer works. I know this is gonna be the best driver out of the bunch. It's gotta be. It doesn't get any better than this. This is basically how this thing drove new. Now I'm debating on releasing the videos early. I was like, I wonder what would have happened if I released all 4 of them on Sunday. People would be like, what's going on? Why you keep putting the same car on? No, they're all different. What? Because I know right now nobody knows about these. And the people that are really into them, it blows my mind that we have 4 of them. So I know it's got to blow their mind, which is great. Let's try this bump up here. It's floating. Still floating. Nice and smooth right over the bump. I'm just gonna go down the line. Once I get back, I'll drive the other ones. Well, I'll do the walk around where they're sitting, then drive it, just like I did this one. You notice I didn't do any extra crazy stuff. I cut right to the chase, getting my stuff done and showing the flaws. That's what I do, guys. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com. Finance and shipping, detailed pictures. It's on, guys. It's good this week. Thanks for watching. Look at all the other ones there. That's so cool. All right, it's time to walk around this ride. We'll go ahead and pop this trunk too.
You go up north.
Where is me keys at? Let's go. Okay, this one's got a cool little plate here as soon as you open the door. It's also got a nice alarm on it, as you can see. Does the trunk button work? I'm sure it does in the glove box, but we're gonna go ahead and open it with the key and get started. Now this is one of the personal rides here at Maple Motors. Definitely the nicest of all of them. This one's got a loud stereo system, as you can see. Coming around the front end. Lights on this one look pretty good.
Well, they've got plenty of shipping companies that they go through and stuff also. Like, what would it cost? Like, how much more does it go through there than
Guys, I want y'all to compare all these and tell me which one is your favorite. Like I said, we've got 4 at one time. That's kind of odd, but really cool. Got a little wax left over there, vacuum midsection. I'm in love with these wheels. I wish they'd fit on my van. We don't have 6 lug though. No, it's kind of random to say if we should fit on my van, but I got a conversion van and I think they would just look awesome on there. A set of 22s would be cool. Little spots there on the mirror. Front window looks pretty clear to me. A little pollen on top there. Not a big issue. Walking up to the back. Couple little specs on this back bumper. Trunk is full of power, locking gas cap. Yeah, I'm loving this setup in the trunk. That looks awesome. Huge ports, diamond plate up here. It's blacked out too, so it's not all standoutish. I don't know why he's got that old tag on here. This one's in date though. Little scuff there, just dust over here. More dirt. It's wiping off. It's kind of sticky feeling though. It's like paint's faded there on top of the wing. Imperfections there around your trim. Midsection. She's pretty straightforward on this car. Chip there. Up top. All right, let's check out the interior on this one. Door panel super clean. Got a lot of billet accessories in here that are not in the other cars. Super clean under the door. Nice plate. Super nice carpet. Showing 62,000 miles. Nice. That's good right there. Cold AC. Coming down with this one. little bug mark. Like I said, he drives this car. He actually drove it into work today. Guys, detailed pictures, financing, and shipping's available. MapleMotors.com. Go there, check it out. Let me know what you think about this ride. And of course, check out the other 4 or other 3 that we got. We've actually never had 4 at one time, so this is pretty cool. Again, thank you for watching, and there's more to come from Maple Motors.